Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So at first you have to click and hold on the home screen and then tap on the widgets. Right now we can pick widget that you want to attach to your screen. So for example, I'm going to pick here the Ampere widget from application. So when you tap on it once, you can also change data and the theme of the widget. I'm going to take the temperature of my battery. Click add. Okay, as you can see, the home screen layout is locked, so we have to go for the settings. Let's make it another time. Let's click on the settings, and as you can see, we lock our home screen, so we have to unlock it. And then we can follow the same steps. Let's get this one, click add. And as you can see, the widget appears in this place. When you click and hold it, you can move it for another screen just like that. When you click hold and after that release, you can just simply remove, as you can see, and also check information. So here we get all info about this widget, and basically that's all. We can also add another widget. So we can go, for example, for calendar, we can pick this one, and as you can see, this widget is not attached to the screen, so let's pick it another time. Okay, it was some kind of the event, so let me just add maybe this normal calendar, and it's right here. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.